Hello. Welcome to Storywise for learning English. I am so happy you are here today. Today, we are talking about a very big problem. It is a problem for me, it is a problem for you, and it is a problem for the world. We are talking about social media addiction. Some people call this brain rot. Do you feel tired? Do you look at your phone for 5 hours every day? Do you forget things? If yes, this video is for you. In this video, we will learn how to stop using our phones too much. And the best part, we will learn English at the same time. First, let's look at the words. Brain. You have a brain in your head. It helps you think, it helps you learn English. Rot. Rot means something becomes bad, like an old apple. If an apple stays on the table for 1 month, it rots, it becomes black and bad. So, brain rot is when we watch too many shorts, reels, or TikToks. These videos are 15 seconds long. They are loud, they are fast, they are funny, but they are not good food for your brain. When you watch these videos for 3 hours, your brain becomes tired. You cannot read a book, you cannot study English. You only want more videos. This is a habit, a bad habit. Why is it so hard to stop? Is it because you are weak? No. The people who make these apps are very smart. They use colors, they use music, they want you to stay. Imagine you are eating chocolate. 1 piece of chocolate is good. But if you eat 100 pieces of chocolate, you feel sick. Social media is like digital chocolate. It feels good for 1 minute, but it makes your brain feel bad for the rest of the day. When you scroll, your brain releases something called dopamine. Dopamine is the happy chemical, but when you get too much dopamine from your phone, you don't feel happy from real things. You don't feel happy from a walk in the park. You don't feel happy from talking to a friend. You only want the phone. Now, let's listen to a story. Remember, this is Storywise. Stories help us learn. This is Ahmed. Ahmed is a student. He wants to learn English. He wants to be a doctor. Every night, Ahmed says, I will go to sleep at 10 p.m. At 9:55 p.m., Ahmed is in bed. He picks up his phone. He says, I will look at Instagram for only 5 minutes. 1 hour later, Ahmed is watching a video of a cat dancing. 2 hours later, Ahmed is watching a video of a man cooking a giant burger. 3 hours later, it is 1 a.m. Ahmed's eyes are red. His head hurts. He feels sad. The next morning, Ahmed is very tired. In English class, he cannot listen to the teacher. He wants to look at his phone. Ahmed has brain rot. One day, Ahmed says, Stop, I want my life back. What did Ahmed do? Let's learn the steps Ahmed took to fix his brain. The first thing Ahmed did was the morning rule. Most people wake up and the first thing they do is touch their phone. Do you do this? I used to do this too. When you look at your phone in the first minute of the day, your brain starts the day with stress. You see news. You see people with perfect lives. You feel small. The rule, do not touch your phone for the first 30 minutes of the day. Instead, drink water, look out the window. Say 3 things you are happy for. Maybe say them in English. I'm happy for the sun. I am happy for my coffee. I'm happy for my family. This is the first step to fixing your brain. This is the hard part. Ahmed looked at his apps. He saw TikTok. He saw Instagram. He saw Snapchat. He asked himself, do these apps make me a better person? The answer was no. He deleted the apps from his phone. Wait, do not worry. You can still use them on a computer. Why? Because using a computer is slow. You have to sit down. You have to turn it on. It is not in your pocket all the time. If you cannot delete the apps, move them. Move the apps to the last page of your phone. Put them in a folder called Time Wasters. When you see that name, you will think twice. Here is a secret trick. Phones are colorful. Red, blue, bright lights. These colors make our brains excited. Go to your phone settings. Find accessibility. Turn on grayscale. Now, your phone is black and white. When Instagram is black and white, it is boring. The food doesn't look delicious. The clothes don't look beautiful. When the phone is boring, you stop looking at it. Try this for 24 hours. Your brain will say, "Hey, this is boring. Let's go read a book." What is deep work? Deep work is when you do one thing for a long time. Social media makes our attention span very short. An attention span is how long you can focus. A TikTok is 15 seconds. So, your attention span becomes 15 seconds. To learn English, you need a long attention span. You need to read for 20 minutes. You need to listen for 15 minutes. Ahmed started small. He used a timer, 25 minutes, study English. No phone, no music with words, just focus. 5 minutes, break, walk, stretch. This is called the Pomodoro technique. It helps your brain grow strong again. Let's stop for a moment and learn some words from this video. This is good for your English. Addiction, when you cannot stop doing something bad. Scroll, to move your finger up and down on the screen. Notification, the ding or beep your phone makes. Boredom, the feeling when you have nothing to do. Boredom is actually good for your brain. Focus, to give all your attention to one thing. People say, if I don't use my phone, I'm bored. Yes, this is the point. When you are bored, your brain starts to be creative. When Ahmed stopped scrolling, he found new things to do. He started walking. He walked in the park for 20 minutes. He listened to the birds. He started cooking. He made real food, not just watching videos of food. He practiced English. He joined a conversation club. If you want to fix brain rot, you must find a replacement. You cannot just stop. You must start something else. What is a hobby you like? Do you like drawing? Do you like football? Do you like reading? Write it in the comments below. In English, please. Let's go back to Ahmed. It was hard for the first 3 days. Ahmed felt angry. He felt bored. He wanted to check his likes. But after 1 week, something happened. Ahmed slept better. His eyes were not red. Ahmed could read 10 pages of an English book without stopping. Ahmed felt happy, real happy, not phone happy. He realized that the world is big and beautiful, and the world is not inside a 5-inch screen. I have a challenge for you, the students of Storywise. I want you to do a digital detox for just 1 day, on Sunday or any day you choose. No social media, no YouTube except for learning. No games. Try it for 24 hours. How do you feel? Is it hard? Is it easy? Then come back to this video and tell me your story. Thank you for watching this video. Fixing your brain is the best thing you can do for your English and for your life. Remember, you are the boss of your phone. The phone is not your boss. If you liked this video, please click the like button. It helps our channel a lot. And don't forget to subscribe to Storywise for learning English. We make stories and lessons to help you speak English better every day.